Welcome back, guys. It's our fourth week and our 16th episode of our 3-a-day multiple choice past paper questions marathon. All right. We have been through all of 45 questions and we are here to do our 16th set of three. All right. It's 3-a-day, every day, Monday to Friday at 3 p.m. Yep. And I hope that more open, get through them and getting them right so far. I hope that you're building your thinking process, your critical thinking abilities and stuff like that. So, yep, today we'll be doing questions 46, 47, 48. All right, and here we go. 46 is basic substitution. It's a question in which we're given a function. The function is equal to 2x squared minus 1. And by the way, we have done a live video on one of our Saturday night live videos. I think it was the third one, would have been strictly on functions. You can go there to know how to just do basic substitution, to do composite functions like f of g of x, and how to do inverse. And we had worked lots of CXC questions there. So you can go ahead, paper 2 questions are there, and go through that video. I'll also ensure that I add it in the description below. All right, so here we go. We want f of -3. So that's going to be 2 times, anywhere we see x, we're going to put -3, which means this is 2 times -3 squared minus 1. Be careful and ensure that you don't square this 2 times -3, because what you should actually square is indeed just the -3. So we're going to have 2 times -3 squared will give us 9 minus 1. That's going to be 18 minus 1, which is 17. All right, simple as that. And so our answer would have been C. All right, so we're going to move to question 47 in short order. All right, so it says that we need to state where this straight line AB cuts the y-axis. Where does AB cut the y-axis? Where is our y-axis? Here it is. I'm going to put it in a different color. That's our y-axis, and we want to know, that is a very crooked y-axis. All right, and we want to know where exactly the line AB has cut our y-axis. We want to know where is what we call our y-intercept. All right, so we have the coordinates of our y-intercept. So as you can see, these are in coordinate form, and so we should just ask ourselves, what are the coordinates of the point here? And that's going to be 0 on the x, -2 on the y. And by the way, as long as you're looking at a point where the y-axis is intercepted, then our x value is definitely going to be 0. So we know C could not have been the answer.
0, 2 isn't even a point on the line, neither is 0, 3. So those are definitely out.
All right, so yeah, you get the point. So we are also now going to move to question number 48. All right, and this one is for equation of a line. And again, I think it was our 4th live video. Saturday Night Live would have been on coordinate geometry, where we did gradients of a line, the equation of a line, how to find the midpoint of a line, and also length of a line. So if you need any brush up where that is concerned, you can go ahead and hop on over to live number 4, I believe. The title of it says coordinate geometry, so it should be fine. All right, so it says the equation of the line which passes through the point 0, 5 and has a gradient of 4 is, and we know to write down the equation of a line, you need to write it in the form looking like this. All right, so to write the equation of a line, we know it's going to be in this general form, which is y equals mx plus c. Now, we know our gradient. That's one. So we need to know what is our gradient, and we also need to know what our y-intercept is. All right, so we know our gradient, but we don't know our y-intercept. Right now, we have a point, and that's good. We have a point because this point has x and y coordinates. So let me just put it here. So I have this as a figure. X, we have an x value and a y value. We can substitute that y value, that x value, and that m value to help us to find c. Since us is the only thing that we don't know to be able to write in that form. All right, so here we go. Y, which is 5, equals m, which is 4, times x, which is 0, plus c. And once we solve this for c, we find out that this y-intercept here is going to be 5. So we now have our equation to be y equals m4 x plus 5. All right, by the way, this 0, 5 here hinted us as well that that was going to be the y-intercept. Why is that so? Because anywhere that this line cuts the y-intercept, that's where the value of x is going to be 0. And as we can see, the value of x is 0 here. So this is our answer, which is C. All right, that's our final question for today. This is the end of episode 16. Join me tomorrow again as we try to make it to the end of this week. All right, I will see you.